Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup customer data in Zendesk using backup retention exports, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Admin Center. In the Admin Center, locate the Apps and Integrations section. Click on APIs from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the export options. Here, you will see options for data export. Select the type of data you want to back up. You can choose from tickets, user data, or other relevant information. After selecting the desired data type, click on the Export button. This action will initiate the backup process. Zendesk may take a few moments to prepare your data. You will receive a notification once the export is ready for download. Check your email for the download link provided by Zendesk. Click on the link to download the backup file. Ensure that you save it in a secure location on your device. For organizations needing regular backups, consider setting a schedule for exports. This can often be automated using available APIs. Refer to Zendesk's API documentation for details on automation. Make sure to review your backup retention policies regularly. This will help you comply with data management regulations. Finally, confirm that your backup files are accessible and intact. With these steps completed, you've successfully backed up customer data in Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.